friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making healthy chicken bites in the air fryer. For this easy recipe, we need chicken. I'm using chicken breast. You can use any part of boneless chicken. And we need seasonings of your choice. I'll use salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and paprika. And I'm also going to use a little bit of olive oil. And if you don't want to use oil, just leave it out. It's totally optional, just makes it more flavorful. So I'm going to cut the chicken breast into pieces. So we're making chicken bites, so we just need to cut it into bite-sized pieces. And now I'm going to put the chicken pieces in a bowl and add oil and seasonings. So I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil and sprinkle the seasonings. So here's salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and paprika. And now I'm just going to toss them so they're evenly coated with oil and seasonings. I'm just going to add a little bit more paprika. So now let's take out the air fryer basket. And I'm going to put the chicken in the air fryer and put it in a single layer. And now let's put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And now I'm going to set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And I will set the time to 8 minutes. Now halfway through the cooking time, let's take out the air fryer basket. And let's flip the chicken bites over so they cook more evenly. They're looking so good. And now let's put the basket in the air fryer and let it finish cooking. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at these chicken bites. They looked amazing. So nicely browned and perfectly cooked. And now let's just check the internal temperature just to make sure they're cooked, because all air fryers cook differently, and also depending on the size of the chicken pieces, it might take a little longer. It should be at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit for white meat or 185 if you have dark meat such as chicken thighs. So this is over 165 for chicken breast, so this is totally cooked. So if your chicken is not cooked, just put it back in the air fryer at 400 degrees for an additional 2 to 3 minutes, and then check again. So this is cooked. I'm going to take it out of the air fryer. Perfect. This looks amazing. I'm so excited about trying it. And this is healthy too. What an easy recipe. So let's try it. So let me just cut it so it's perfectly cooked inside. It's so good. So easy to make, so healthy. This is such an easy recipe for dinner. You'll love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks, for more easy air fryer recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!